In this video, I'm going to show you how to play the two-part melody and bass line of this piece, Amazing Grace. I would start with the left hand. For the first phrase, it goes with G, G, C, D. Okay? So we'll put them together. The second phrase goes like so you probably have realized you don't really have to move this left hand around, you just put it in this position. Yeah, you just need G, C, and D. Let's do it. So let's do it again. The next phrase is relatively easy. I have B, D, B, D, B, G. You just put your hand here, you've got everything sorted. But don't forget, you want to move your hand over. Yeah. For the left hand, I will have G and G. We will have the next two bars. Yeah. And for the left hand, I will have C and G. So we'll put this phrase together. G, G. And lastly, we'll play G, D, G on the left hand, and we'll play the melody on the right hand. Okay, so I'm going to play the whole thing again. Thank you very much for watching.